Today, our activity is about deep deformation of rocks. And there's a problem we have to discuss, which is what under what conditions do these deep deformations take place? Let's start with the types of rocks. First, we have sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are made up of particles like sand, shells, pebbles, and other materials. When you combine these particles together, we call them sediments and بينزلوا من الفوق من السماء. The sediments accumulates in layers and over a long period of time hardens into a rock. It's the only type which contains fossils. The fossils, which is we can see it here, is found only in sedimentary rocks. The second type of rocks that we are able to observe is metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic means متحولين, changing. They lay beneath the surface of Earth, deeper than sedimentary rocks, and they undergo pressure to make faults. So they change or undergo metamorphosis. They have layers. Some of them have shiny crystals on their surface, for example granite وغيرهم. هودي kind of metamorphic rocks تغيروا عبر الزمن due to pressure. Now some they make metamorphosis, but they need also high temperature plus the high pressure. This type is called igneous rocks. Now they are deep inside the earth more than the other two types, and they are from melted or molten rocks and they become magma. The magma of the volcano, of course, comes out, become lava. So when the volcano erupt or erupt, it makes what's called lava. The magma and lava cool down and they form igneous rocks. Now, if they cool down quickly, they look shiny and smooth. If the magma or lava cools slowly, then they have plenty of texture with tiny holes and gas bubbles مثلا مثل حجر الخفان أو أي حجر تاني بتحسوه لايت منه كتير في وزن. As far as for rock deformation and metamorphism, we have these types of rocks, the schist, micaschist, and gneiss. And we have also um, foliations فيهم layers parallel أو ممكن يكونوا مثل هي عندنا folds اللي هي anisopath. In the depth of the earth, the rock are subjected to deformation, and these deformation are different from the surface of the earth. They lead to formation of faults and to rock layers. الديفورميشن هيدي affect the composition as well as the arrangement of the rock. This process called rock metamorphism. rock metamorphism هيدا تحول لهالروك هيدا. For example مثلا إذا كان فحم بصير الماس أكيد بدنا high temperature and pressure. هون في عنا three terms we have to define. Anisopath, which is the ground layer اللي does not keep the same. It makes kind of faults. We have foliation أقوى بدها في هنا هون arrangement of the layers in parallel, not in folds, and this needs high pressure and temperature, and the bed it means layer.